there, welcome to your Microsoft Word 365 certification course. Microsoft Word is a tool that's been around for ages, and it's going to be for years to come. Here's how this course is going to work. We're going to have several modules to complete. We're going to talk a little bit about some of the basic text editing tools. We're going to talk a little bit more about the advanced text editing tools, the basic interface of Microsoft Word. We're going to talk all about Microsoft Word's review, revision, and editing tools. All the different ways that you can use Microsoft Word to create different types of documents. It's not just for creating research papers or writing essays. You can use it for so many different things. And those are all things that are going to be on that certification exam. I think it's time for us to get started. We've got a lot of work to do. Let's go. It's time to get certified.